How do you say, are you alright in Japanese? Formal way and the informal way. Try. お、大丈夫ですか？大丈夫ですか？ Now I teach you how to make formal to informal way. You can take off this. This is predicate for noun and adjective, as I told you, quiz 1, so that you can remove this in the end. Ka is question marker in Japanese language. You can take ka in the end. However, please raise your pronunciation up in the end, like this. This is informal way. 大丈夫？大丈夫？ This is informal. Thank you very much for watching. I want you to be a native Japanese speaker. Keep watching. See you soon.